Hi, hi guys. No, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. No, I am here to unbox this jacket. No, this Philippines Top 30 Leaders on LinkedIn. No, by Modern Ads Incorporated. Uh, this one is the box. No, of this top 30 leaders on LinkedIn. So I will just open this one, and I am very happy to receive before Christmas, right? So congratulations from Modern Ads and Promo Incorporated, founded in 1994. We value your brand, no? By the way, this is from Analisa Laksamana, no? So thank you for this green jacket. Oh, by the way, this is a green jacket. All right, so I am very proud to be part of this top 30 leaders on LinkedIn. So by the way, no, I would like also to acknowledge